Okay, people, and welcome back to my channel today. Phyna don't come out, come thank God over wetin happen with her for the gig where we say she go for Delta State. And also, Soma don't come out, come reveal to say smoking in the plan to stop. And lastly, Uriel don't come out, come lament about the spike of goods, the prices of goods for Nigeria. So of recent, as we all know, dollar continue to dey go up and e no get wetin anybody fit do apart from to dey cry online and to dey do how do they call am, protest. So Uriel na come out come explain wetin happen to her, say she go supermarket, say she just come back from UK, she come Nigeria and come back from UK December, and she go supermarket to go buy her favourite shower gel. Only for her to reach there, the thing don the price don be times 2. So she come gat to remove the things wey be say dey inside the basket wey be say she dey buy the items dey put inside. So she come say my favourite shower gel went from 4k to almost 9k. Abeg o, I just left Nigeria December, na me that never checks price when shopping today. I'm asking cashier to remove items. Shame catch me today small. After the ordeal, someone asked me for selfie. She come say gym membership, I'm working at home biko. The truth be say, whether you be celebrity, whether you no be celebrity, the spike of prices and everything, the dollar going high, e dey affect everybody in Nigeria. Only God fit save us for this country right now, because things don't really go from bad to worst. So onto Soma matters, we all know Soma na smoker. Yes, so im don come out to come explain wetin dey sup with am, say im wan change. So im come say God to quit smoking cigarette and it's so hard. If you successfully quit, I need tips biko. Some people wey be say dey smoke, they really believe say na happy life, say they enjoy something, na something wey dey great. Addiction na very serious issue. Once you get addicted to something, it might not even be smoking, it might be watching of movie, it might be watching of wetin they call am, X, it might be a lot of things, it might be drinking, it might be eating so food. Some people they eat a lot. So all those things na addiction wey be say person need to really work on. If you check am well, you see say some people, for them to fight addiction, it takes a lot of effort and also the grace of God to really beat that kind of thing. So whatever it is you are doing, make sure say you know they are addicted to it, because to start am no dey hard, but to end am na very difficult something. So onto Phyna matter, Phyna go a gig for Delta State and she come out come explain to us to say she actually escaped being kidnapped for there. Now we be say they live for Delta State, especially Warri Gongon, you go see to say a lot of kidnapping they go on for there, and I don't know whether the government for there, whether they know they do anything about it. Everybody just keep quiet, their Latins they spoil, they go. So she come say, did we just escape a kidnap? I'm shaking. So she come explain wetin really sup that day. According to her, she say when they reach Delta, she na GIG na they take go. And na in convoy, suddenly one of the car drift comot for road, which can cause small accident wey be say can happen for the road. So the rest of them wey be say dey for there come talk say make they stop to see wetin dey sup for front. Since night don dey come, two of the cars wey be say dey follow her and her own car, they come talk say make they go ahead because night don already dey come. You know say night for Warri, e no really make sense, na very dangerous zone. As they drive they go front, 4 cars wey dey front of their own come find out say they just open their car. The kidnappers come and open those people car, the 4 cars wey dey front of her like this, open their car, they carry all of them, they comot. So and so all the whole car come they turn around, they move back to where they come from. The truth be say, if you never encounter armed robber for road before or kidnappers for road, you don't know what you go do for you. And I pray make nobody don't encounter that type of thing, because you get the time where we say for Warri, when me and my friends will they come back from somewhere. Now exactly this thing where Phyna talk so nice up. As we just they come, they put barricade for the road. As we they drive, our motor they drive they come. Now we don't know, now we there on speed since na express. And so we can't hit that first, we hit the barricade ready for the second motor come hit us for back, and so the thing can't push us over. Before we know, we never even recover from the accident. So they don't use gun hit the glass. So now say they be for that side though. Me my own waiting even sweet me that day, and I be say God save us. Then worry thief, all of us know there's no need of us sugarcoating it. Worry thief, once they thief something from you, if you know they leave you like that, they go must shook you something. Or if you be man, if you be woman, they go one rough handle una. So now say just be for that side. So not be small Thanksgiving Phyna go do, so she not be small thing, and God save her life. So after the gig now, she come dey come back, so she come tweet one tweet like that wey be say come make people come dey vex for her. So she come say, I have never been this eager to leave a state after a gig. So as she tweet this thing, people come dey drag her talk say, wetin you mean by that? No be Kwale you grow up from. As we all know, Kwale na for inside Delta state. So Phyna making this statement come be as if she dey mock the state where we say she come from. Say after all, na there na you grow up. People don't say you dey claim say you be Benin, but now for Delta state now you grow, take become wetin you become. So wetin you mean by say you are so relieved just because you go Lagos of recent, or because you don't drive big car, all those type of thing. So now so the girl can't delete the tweet so that peace go reign. Well, she might have grown up in Delta, but e no really mean to say the people where we say they kidnap people for there, they don't care whether you grow up for there, they don't care whether you be indigene, their own are just to be you, use you, take collect money, which is very terrible. The end of everything, me I dey glad say she dey safe and she's back to Lagos safely. So make everybody stay safe out there. Una take care, una bye.